I'm at a junkyard. This is a automatic transmission Corolla S. I think it's an '05. And some people have been wondering what it looks like behind the leather wrap if you peel it back. As in, what kind of wrap should you get? And this is not the same type of material that a regular steering wheel is made of. I'm told it's very hard. It's a very hard material. So I would think if you were going to get a wrap that's made for all the Toyota steering wheels, that you would probably leave this on and go around it. Otherwise the wrap might be a little too big. See, because the thickness of this, if you take that off, this feels real thin. I'll show you. You can see this just peels off. I don't think this is really leather. It looks like plastic, or it looks like a vinyl to me. But yeah, I'm just going along and doing this. I'm going to take this whole wrap off and probably buy this for a template. And then this will be a nice looking steering wheel underneath there. So there it is. That cover comes right off. Be a great template. And then this is what the steering wheel looks like. It looks pretty nice. It's not quite as thick as a regular Toyota steering wheel. So it's a little different, and the material is a little different. It's got like a matte finish, you can see. It actually looks pretty cool, but that's what's under the leather wrap on a Corolla S. There's one last look there to try to get the whole thing in. And a little detail on the finish. This is a regular Corolla, and the steering wheel is soft. It's kind of soft. You can push your thumb into it, and it's thicker than what it was underneath that Corolla S leather wrap.